go out, buy a gun.
It's okay to be angry.
Get out of my face now!
If you try to stop me from going into a woman's bathroom,
Excuse me, it's ma'am.
be the last mistake you ever make.
It is ma'am.
Find that anger.
Yes, but those. Hey.
Harness it to do good in the world. This anger,
Done, man.
We can just make a batch and say it. Some of us. Well.
anger is probably my primary source of motivation.
What call me sir again?
The thing is, you don't have to leave.
You don't know. Lose every day.
For everything that I do.
Cut that out now, or you'll go home in an ambulance.
It was a call to action or a call to arms.
It's not! It's sorry. It's not!